Hey guys, if you don't want to spend the time watching the whole video, I totally get it. Short story, heating element went out on my Samsung dryer, and the reason why is because there was this huge blockage in the pipe causing it to overheat and eventually fail. You can check out the video if you want and see what I did and how I got around it and what I did to fix it and all that. So please, if you do any maintenance work on your dryer, take some time to inspect the vent. Make sure it's clear. It could be a potential fire hazard, and at the very least you can sleep easier at night knowing that your dryer vent is clear. Hey, if you get anything at all out of my content, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. That being said, let's get into this video. I just replaced the Samsung heating element on my dryer. Appreciate the internet for showing me how to do that. And got to investigating it into a little bit more and found the root cause. For some reason, when they built this house in mid-1990s, they made this ridiculous long run. Let me adjust here. They made this ridiculous long run of dryer vent pipe. That was all one continuous run. The bends there is when I bent the pipes a little bit to get them out of the trusses. Now, this last piece of pipe, look here. I mean, just look at all this in that pipe for 20 years. It's this blockage that led to the overheating of the heating element and its eventual failure. That right there slid out of that last piece of pipe. And the other ones were gummed up pretty bad too with fluff and debris and whatnot. But like I said, I couldn't find no reason for that run to be that long from the laundry room all the way to the other end of the house, basically. All right, now here's the old dryer vent. Now, that long pipe went all the way right here to the new dryer vent. Check out how badass that one is. Wow. Got that at Lowe's just now, $25. It's pretty badass, but just drill a hole in it, 4 1/8. So, yeah, it's under the deck. But I'll have to patch that. There, that's the run now. Directly from the dryer above to the outside.